Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday, Debbie at Nitty Nails. And this is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Leonie's Nail Art. Our theme was cats. Meow. So I've used the E&A Pro Choice nail tips. And here is Moonshine Manny's Thunderstruck. Look at that shimmer in there. And I'm sorry this first frame is blurry, but I just figured I'd throw it in anyway because it did straighten up a little bit. So we've got one coat of Thunderstruck. Now we're going in for a second coat. And you can see that pink shimmer is very visible. I'm going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. Got to get some kitty cats on these nails. There we go. And I'll be using You Are Beautiful. I believe this is plate 12. It went by so fast. Yeah, plate 12. And Maniology Coconut. Very nice. And my Conad Stamper and the Maniology Scraper. So I'm just going to put some different images on my nails. I'm going to use different ones for all the nails. And I will be applying these to my fingernails as soon as they're dry. So you will get to see them on my nails, on my hands. I'm going to clean my stamper off on my lint roller. Oh, and before I forget, I should have links to, well, first of all, the hashtags over on Instagram and a list of participants. So if you want to go check out the other manicures, maybe drop in and offer a good happy birthday to Miss Debbie. That would be great. Or if you just want to go look at the manicures, that's cool too. Tapping some of the flyaways down. I think that one turned out really well. And we're going to get some little kitty cats. I'm going to use this image 3 times. I'm going to stamp on my pinky nail here. Kind of go cattywampus here. And then I'm going to put one above it and one below it. So we're going to clean that off with some acetone. And then hop right on back in here with it. And I really enjoy doing these collabs and seeing all the other pretty manicures. And supporting our, friends in our nail community. And wishing them a happy birthday is just a really good way to let them know you're out there. And that they're appreciated, Bless you, Cotton. Sorry, I got a sneezy dog in here with me. He's a sneezy boy, y'all. Alright, so there we got 3 kitty cats on that nail. And we're just moving around the plate. Be bopping along. And this one's on the side, so I wanted to scrape it the other way too to make sure that, I didn't have a big blurry scrape. That would be awful. Okay, here we go. I'm fixing to show you. It didn't all stick. And you can see I'm a little aggravated. But I know how to fix this, so I don't know why I was being so dramatic. Since I have top coat on, I'm just hopping in with the piece of tape and going over it with the piece of tape. Sometimes I have to break out a little acetone to get it up. But having that layer of top coat over the polish helps. So I've decided to apply some Maniology Sticky Base to these last 2 nails. They must have been dry because it didn't want to stick to them. Either that or I might have taken too long, with my scrape pickup and delivery. So we're going to try this image again. Sorry, y'all, Cotton's licking back there. And y'all, I can't stand some lick, smack, smack. Makes me crazy. There we go. Yay, success. And here we go. We're going to do one more. And I'm going to clean the plate off with some acetone again. Because I got polish down on one of the images I wanted to use. There it is. That little kitty cat right there. So I'm going to put this little kitty cat down close to the tip of the nail. The free edge tip. And then I'm going to put some wording above it. There we go. And Got to get the meow in here. It's been a easy one, other than the little mishap with it not wanting to stick, which, you know, it was so easily fixed. So here we go. And Miss Debbie, if you see this, Miss Nitty Nails, if you see this, I do hope you had a wonderful birthday, or have a wonderful birthday. And here I am just cleaning up my stamping plate. I'm going to flip that cotton ball over and clean it, and wipe it with a lint-free wipe so we can put it away clean. Not too much on the back. Clean my little mat here. And then I'm going to top these nails with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And let that dry down. And then once that's dry, I'm topping these with Posh Top Coat. There we go. Keeping that free edge. And here we go. I'm using one of the little glue tabs, and I'm just applying the nails to my nails with the glue tabs. And there is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.